Hello student, I hope your preparation is going good. There is a long time after that I will make this video. Due to some family issue I am not able to create such videos, and I am sorry for that. And for the time being, you just try to prepare with all the subject if you do not have any examination, and at least revise those subject who confident to written the MCQs, or if you're not able to solve the test series of that particular topic, you need to revise multiple time, try to solve the numerical so that your ability in that particular subject will be enhanced. So there is update which is coming from the Haryana Public Commission Service, and these update which is related to your written examination, schedule of written examination for the post of lecturer group B in various subject for the Formal Instruction and Technical Education Department of Haryana. This notification is released a few months back, and they have released for almost all the domain, and I have already informed you. If you have already filled it, then they have mentioned the examination date along with the some recruitment, and these requisites are mentioned in notification. The morning session of the first schedule of examination for the civil architecture and computer engineering will be scheduled on the 11th of June 2022 for the examination center of Panchkula. Similarly, for the evening session, lecture for the lecture post of chemical engineering, electrical engineering and mechanical engineering scheduled on the 11th of June in the second shift of Panchkula center. And similarly for the other morning 12th of June, having some different branches like automobile engineering, instrumentation and control, applied science in mathematics, finance, account and audit, and applied science. And similarly they have mentioned some other branches on the date of 12th for the morning as well as evening session in Panchkula center. So this is the official update which is released by the HPSC, and if you have already filled this particular form, then definitely you need to go and appear this examination. If you try to give your 100% in this examination, so that at the end you will get the fruitful result. And if you are facing any of the issue related to your technical domain or any other, or if your age is already qualified for this particular post, so what to do for the next one, so all these things we will, if you have any type of doubt or if you have any type of question, you can easily mention in comment box, or if you want you can also connect with the Telegram group. I have already mentioned the link in the description box. I hope this video are informative and helpful. If you think, then do like and share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.